everyone, my name is Lakshika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay, you guys made it. Okay, anyway, I'm just too excited. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how I groom myself at home using products which are already available. One of them is making sugar wax, and I'll show you guys how I make sugar wax and how I wax my underarms. The wax which I make in this particular video, it can be used in all parts of your body, but if you have sensitive skin, please test it and then try it. Okay? Honestly, I'm not trying to state that only if you groom yourself you're going to look beautiful. No, you look beautiful just the way you are, and it's absolutely okay if you don't want to do it. Personally, I like to keep myself groomed, and that's exactly why I'm making this video.
To make wax, you need a cup of sugar, 1 big lemon or 2 small ones, and 1 glass of water or 3/4 glass of water, and you just have to mix all of them together. Over here I've put almost 3/4 glass of water. You can put 1 glass of water as well and let it boil until it comes to the honey color. Once you finish boiling it, allow it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Before I start waxing, I keep a few things ready already. Wow, okay. I keep a few things ready like talcum powder, then a cotton swab, not one, like many cotton swabs, and of course, instead of using wax strips, which I don't have right now, I just use these cotton cloth. Plus point of using these is that you can wash them and reuse it all over again.
I take the talcum powder, put it on the cotton pad and apply it on my underarm to remove the sweat and also detangle the hair as such. The video was too long, so I had to make it short, so that's why.
I am going to start with my underarms waxing.
You should apply the wax in the direction of your hair, and that's about it.
Yay! I put it. I'm gonna keep it here. Rub it. You make sure that your hand is really stiff and strong because you don't want to, get hurt. Fine. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Look at this. And it looks like odd, but yeah, it works. I just like the consistency of the wax, because it's easy to pull. Usually make sure that your wax is like this honey color, so it works well. Take the same cloth, keep it here. Oh, this might hurt. Can you guys see it? 3, 2, 1. See, it's gone. So yeah, you take off all the extras. If you guys can't see it, it's clean, and it just took me 2 freaking times to do it. So I take the cotton swab, put in some aloe vera, and then apply it over here, apply it over here, and here. Cool. So now just be like, if this is your first time, just be like really careful is what I would say. Also guys, make sure you keep your razors clean, okay? Okay, I'm gonna start with this. Can you guys see it here and here? I really like it because it's so freaking easy to do. so when it comes to my eyebrows as such, right, this one is like sharpie edged and this one is like smooth. I don't know what to do, but I just have to. So let's try if I can make this a smooth one. Maybe I can. Let's try. Better now, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna do the middle portion. I feel nice already. Because I'm very scared about like my face thingy. Sorry for the burp. Anyway, I'm very scared about my face thingy. And so I decided that I'm gonna make sure that I don't take off any hair which I want it to be. So let's try. I don't want to pull off like all of these as well because I feel like they look cute and why not just have it? Why not? This looks very, 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 very odd. So I am done with this side and I really like the finishing of it. I hope it works on this side as well. Okay, so what I did there was like I went layer by layer when I'm shopping. Like if you can see. My mom is gonna flip looking at what her daughter is doing. Okay, I think I just boosted myself. And yes, I did. But gladly, it's there. That's it, guys. I am finally done. I'm just going to take this aloe vera and apply on my whole face. After this dries off, I'm gonna wash my face and then do my skincare and come show you guys. Okay, so this is how I look right now. My skin feels nice. It's much more soft and fun. I think that makeup will not look cakey anymore. So let's try and make a video on that as well. Apart from that, I feel good to go out but can't go out. So let's just have fun. My underarms is done, my face is done. I feel pretty. Just remember that we are not here to set any unrealistic beauty standards. We are here to love each other and we are here to embrace each other for who they are. And yeah, that's about it. Also guys, I've gotten used to like only doing my underarms, and I actually stopped doing my face, eyebrows and upper lips as well because who cares? But yeah, I just wanted to do it for this particular video. Apart from that, this is the reality guys. This truly is. Start embracing whoever you are, the way you want to be, and just enjoy, celebrate life. And also a reminder that we are nobody to question someone else's personal choice. So mind your own business and do whatever the heck you want to do. I just want to add this video to say that I'm happy that you're alive. And I hope you get to be yourself a little bit more today. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I can't shout it. Bye. Oh my